Hi BYC! Greetings from Seahorse Houseboat and Yachts! Happy New Year! And I would like to thank you all for helping me out, especially at this time in the midst of a pandemic. You guys are very helpful to help me out in my digital marketing and doing the live streaming. It was very successful. I'm looking forward to work with you guys again. Happy New Year!
Hi, it's John Chang from Monster Radio BT 105.9. I just wanted to take this opportunity to send out a Happy New Year greeting to all of the vloggers, content creators, and streamers of the Bisaya YouTubers Club. You guys are so awesome in what you do, and I hope that you bring even more great energy into 2021 as you turn out more great content. Bye!
Hello BYC! Happy New Year! Greetings from Hyderabad Dine In.
Hi, this is Deadman. Much love to BYC. Greeting you all a happy New Year. See you soon. Much love from Kala Island. Peace.
Hey guys, I am CJ Estrada and Happy New Year!
Happy New Year's everybody from John Smillo YouTube. Wishing you a very Happy New Year and all the best things in life. God bless.
Year 2020 has been something different. Many of us would like to skip the whole year. Unfortunately, it will be remembered negatively due to the coronavirus outbreak and the COVID-19 pandemic. But despite of that, we remain strong. And because of lockdown, nakahuna-huna ko og buhat og YouTube channel, which is I gain a lot of friends. And now I am officially a member of the BYC or the Bisaya YouTubers Club. And from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you to Miss Margrette Chavez and the rest of the team for welcoming me wholeheartedly. And with that being said, may we have a happy and a prosperous New Year.
Hello guys, it's me. Hi, from the Minkay Life. I just would like to greet you a Happy New Year, especially to our sponsors in behalf of the BYC family. Happy New Year!
Hello mga kasuroy, this is Kasuroy Josh from Suroy Tabay TV.
And hi mga kamerkats! This is Mayan from My Food Mercado Food Review.
We would like to greet everyone from BYC. Happy New Year!
Hello mga Locheros, this is Tracing Dreams at isang taon na naman ang lumipas, diba? Sino ba namang mag-aakala na malalampasan natin ang isang buong taong dagok na hatid ng 2020? At alam ko, you're looking forward for a wonderful, prosperous, and probably promising 2021. And hopefully this time, wala nang COVID. Naman para sa mga tulad kong lumalaban sa buhay, nilabanan ang 2020 at ang mga unos na hatid nito, laban pa rin tayo hanggang dulo. Hanggang sa 2021 at sa marami pang taon na ating pagsasama. Kaya mula dito sa CR ng Jollibee, kung saan bida ang saya. Happy New Year mga Lapacheros. Happy New Year, BYC.
Hello everyone, this is Jonah Ardiente nagsasabing Viva 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 Ardiente. I'm here guys to greet you a happy New Year. I hope you'll have a great and blessed 2021. Sending kisses! Virtual pala guys, bye-bye!
Hi guys, this is your friend Medyo Boy. Just wanna say happy New Year to all, and I'm wishing you all the best in life and you may have a prosperous new year to come. Please continue to support my channel and all the BYC members. This has been your friend Medyo Boy. It's not a boy, it's not a girl, it's a Medyo Boy. Bye!
Hey! Happy New Year guys! Shoutout pala sa mga kabarok ko dyan na nasa barko na nag-celebrate ngayon ang Pasko at New Year. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and laban lang kayo. At sa atin lahat, sana this New Year ay maging okay ang lahat, matigil lang ang pandemic. Happy New Year and let's enjoy. Soar high guys!
Hello mga Palaboys, it's me again, Auntie Palaboy, ang pobreng lagan. 2020 hasn't been good to all of us. Despite of it, let's not forget to be grateful positive and thankful for all the blessings that we have.
And as per Catriona Gray, always look for the silver lining in every situation and be inspired. Continue being hungry to be curious, being hungry to learn new things, and be an inspiration to everyone around you. We wish everyone a prosperous and a healthy new year and the rest of our family. Happy New Year, BYC!
Hello Queen, this is May of Queen TV and I just want to say Happy New Year Bisaya YouTubers Club. 2 more collaborations and 2 more vloggers pa to meet, and I hope 2021 will be a good start for us. More power to us. Happy New Year everyone!
Hello everyone, this is GJ and I'm wishing you a happy new year. I know most of us want to end this 2020 with happiness and joyfulness with our family, and I hope that you are with your families right now celebrating New Year as the 12 midnight will reach. I hope the love and kindness of every families will shower in your life. And again, this is JJ. Have a great day and Happy New Year everyone!
Happy New Year, BYC fam! It has been a rewarding experience to be with you guys, and may this year bring forth many such a rewarding experience for us to share. Again, Happy New Year, BYC fam!
Happy New Year, everyone! Especially to Margrette now and in the BYC Club. I am Mark, and this is Tony, and this is Rick Lan, and this is Aaron. So, we are from Pac Boys. Stay safe!
Happy New Year everyone! Despite of the global crisis that we experience, we are very thankful that we still survive. And there are some challenges and failures that we encountered in the past. This new year, let us push ourselves in order to achieve and get more closer to our dreams and goals in life. Once again, Happy New Year from Japan. Akimashite omidetou gozaimasu. Happy New Year!
Hello, what's up everyone? This is Bisaya, again. I would like to greet everyone who's watching this video and to the rest of the BYC or the Bisaya YouTubers Club. Happy New Year guys to all of us. Hindi lang pala Happy New Year, but a happier and more importantly, a safer 2021 to all of us. I hope to see you when I go back to Cebu City. I love you all guys. I miss you. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, BYC fam! Thank you so much, Miss Maan, and to all our sponsors and subscribers. God bless us all from JNK Fam Squad. Bye-bye!
Hi mga palangga, just want to greet you a happy New Year and wishing you all the best for the year 2021. Kaya nato ni from your new palangga, it's Miraki.
Happy New Year ka BYC and to all our sponsors and supporters
from BM
and MJ of the MJ Vlogs.
What's up mga BYC and Happy New Year to all of you, and this is Jeff Flex Vlog and see you.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year from Kareen OTV.
Hello there my BYC fam! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! It was a great journey with you guys this 2020. I have met a lot of amazing and funny people. We grew together, we had a lot of achievements, and I'm so happy for the whole fam. So I'm really looking forward to more adventures with you this coming 2021. I love you all!
Happy New Year, Bisaya YouTubers Club, and to all our sponsors and supporters. Welcome to 2021 from Rhea Hasmin Sarang Channel.
Hi everyone! Happy New Year! Especially to all our sponsors and supporters. Greeting from Elizabeth Veloso of BYC family. Thank you so much and God bless! Happy New Year!
Hello BYC fam, this is Jude Rico. I would like to say Happy New Year to all of us, and I hope that we're going to be having a prosperous 2021 ahead. So guys, what I would like to say is that I'm really thankful this year because I have found this group, and it has been a really roller coaster ride in 2020 guys. I really never expected that I'm gonna be a part of this group, even if bago lang ko dire. So yes, thankful kay ko guys, especially kay Margrette. Happy New Year to all of us. Love you guys. Peace out.
Happy New Year, BYC!
BYC and to all our sponsors and supporters from Yao Ventures.
Happy New Year to BYC, and thank you so much for all our supporters and sponsors from G Entrada.
Happy New Year BYC and to all our sponsors and supporters from Wonderful Stories.
Happy New Year BYC and to all of our sponsors and supporters. Thank you so much and kita-kits soon from Kian Mahinay. Bye-bye.
Happy New Year BYC and to all our supporters and sponsors from Isip Math Tutorial.
Hi Hotshots! I would like to greet each and every one of you a happy and prosperous new year. Let us all embrace and welcome 2021 with joy and enthusiasm. Greetings from Franjo Quillejera and family, KC International, and the Bisaya YouTubers Club. Thank you and God bless.
To all BYC members, sponsors, and supporters, Happy New Year! Greetings from my YouTube channels, Alan Escabusa and Sir Lance Vlog. God bless everyone.
Happy New Year,
BYC! And to all our sponsors and supporters from We, the Byrons.
Hello BYC family, I just want to greet a happy New Year to all. Wishing for this year 2021 na free na ta sa COVID para magkita-kita na katanan. So see you guys next year. This is Donski TV. Bye!
Hey BYC fam, this is Video Pacho. I want to greet you all and happy New Year. See you soon by 2021 and thank you so much for my 2020 and kita-kits soon. Bye-bye!
Hello guys, it has been a challenging 2020, but we're looking forward to a blessed, fruitful, and productive 2021 ahead as we pray and acknowledge God in all our ways. I declare blessings and blessings upon blessings be upon each of us as we acknowledge God and, stay humble. Jesus loves you guys. Be happy always. This is Red Lines.
Hi everyone, this is your girl March Diary saying Happy New Year! Yes, may we all have prosperous and merry and Happy New Year! Thank you so much to our sponsors and yes, to all the members of Bisaya YouTubers Club, and may we all see you next year. Thank you. Happy New Year guys. Love you.
Hello guys, it's Conrad's PH here and I'm wishing you a happy New Year, and I hope that next year, you become or you'll continue to become blessing to the people that surround you. Okay? So Happy New Year, enjoy the rest of the holidays. Puto ka na.
Guys, pasalamat din ko ni Ma'am Margrette nga iya kong gihatagag higayon nga mahimaw membro sa Bisaya YouTuber Club. So, daghang salamat kayo ma'am. Advance Happy New Year kanimo ug sa imuang pamilya. Ug labi na sa mga membro sa Bisaya YouTuber Club. So, manghinahot ko nga magmalipayon ta ug abunda ang atong bag-ong tuig. Greetings from Dong Pobre. Daghang salamat.
Hi BYC family, happy New Year and wishing you all the best this 2021.
Hello, just want to greet a happy new year. Hopefully this coming new year will be a great one for all of us. Just be safe, just be healthy. And happy new year. And that's coming from Historia Gamay. Peace out.
Happy New Year, BYC! Greeting from Tigbakiru. So welcome 2021. Please be good to us. Alright!
Happy New Year, Bisaya YouTubers family. Looking for a more prosperous year. Of course, more videos, more collaboration, more subscribers, and of course, more watch hours to come. Looking forward to work with you guys. And of course, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating. And to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!
Happy New Year, my BYC family, especially to Margrette, our founder, na very supportive to all the members. Thank you so much, guys, for being part of my 2020. I'm so happy na nakailata mo tanan, and I hope na mas daghan pa kong ma-meet soon sa BYC and sa atong mga travels. And I'm so glad na bisag nag-pandemic ta karon kay we're still able to travel together, especially to Chasing James, my strong laagan, everyone na kanang nakuyog nako sa akong travel this year. And hopefully next year 2021 kay magkuyog ra gihapon ta. Let's grow together, walang iwanan, guys, kay we will grow together to gold button. Charot. Bitaw, guys, and I pray na kanang more powers pa sa to ang mga channel and more brand deals, collaborations, sponsorships. So guys, mora to siya. Happy New Year. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Margrette and I founded Bisaya YouTubers Club with my co-founders Hi Gia, Gail, and Jel. We would like to thank all our sponsors, of course our active members, and our dedicated BYC admins and moderators. To everyone who supported us this year, I hope that you support us again in year 2021. I am really praying that everyone who is supporting BYC will be showered upon with graces from God, and of course will have an abundant life this coming 2021. To everyone who I collabed with this year, thank you so much for the opportunity. To all the brands who trusted me and partnered with me this year, thank you so much for your trust and your support. And to everyone who I have not met yet, 2021 is a very long year and I hope to see you one day. Thank you so much for everything. God bless us all. Take care and Happy New Year, everyone! Bye, lovies! See you soon!